Here are 5 tips which you can follow as a guideline if you plan to fly FPV in Bali. Let's go. Tip number 1. Make sure you fly with somebody who knows this place. So there are a few FPV pilots who stays here, and 2 of them that I know are Anton aka Yo Twist and FPV with Patrick. So hit them up on IG before you come, plan something out with them, and they will take you around, and that is probably the best guide you can get. Alright? Tip number 2 is do not travel by car. There's jams everywhere, so either you rent your own bike, or if you want to Grab is like the Uber thingy of Asia. You grab a bike. Do not grab a car because it will take you ages to get to your destination. Either grab bike or Gojek. Alright, get a bike. Let's go. Tip number 3. Alright, there's a lot of cinematic places here which you can find, like Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Penida. But we are talking about freestyle. If you want to freestyle, you can hit 3 main bandos here in Bali. So Mega Bando, Bando City, and Taman Festival. I'll show the maps to where these places are and the travel time. So I'm staying in Seminyak right now, which is kind of central, but these places are all like towards the coast. It's quite far. So that is why tip number 2 is important, travel by bike. But yeah, you can hit up these 3 bandos and you'll have a fun time. Tip number 4, and it goes without saying, bring extra quads. At least 3 quads if you want to fly in a bando here. It's all gnarly, it's covered in mud, there's pool of water, so like you might break a quad, but worst thing is you might even lose it, you might even get it stuck somewhere, you might land in a puddle of water and it won't be flyable. So bring spares, and without saying, bring spare arms, spare motors, and yesterday I just broke an O3 camera, so if you have that, bring extra cameras. And if you fly with a GoPro, of course, bring tons of GoPros. And of course, tip number 5, and the last tip, the most important tip, to be respectful. The people in Bali are all nice and friendly, but in order to get kindness, come on, you need to be kind to them too. So people here will help you. If you lose a quad, they will find a way to retrieve it for you. But of course, stay respectful. Alright? This is their country, respect their rules. Even though for drone flying, there's not much strict restrictions here. Come on, use your own discretion and your common sense. Do not fly around people, do not fly around cars, and yeah, obviously do not fly near the airport. But yeah, stay friendly, man, stay friendly. So that's the 5 tips you need in Bali. And my next few videos, or the videos before this, is me ripping in Bali in all the 3 bandos that I mentioned. And hope you gain something out of this. So enjoy Bali if you come. Peace. See you on the next pack. Bye bye.